Hi everybody, it's Jay
and B,
and today we have a video talking about Barbies. I have talked about Barbies before on my channel, I think. I mean, I said like how I grew up with Barbies and I had like a huge Barbie house when I was a child. Did you have Barbies as a child?
yes, I did. I don't remember a lot about them, but I had Barbies.
I love Barbies because I always played like elaborate stories with them. My sister actually told me the other day like that apparently she always just dressed them up and that's it. That's basically all she did. But like when I started playing with Barbies with her, that was like our thing. We had like elaborate stories and like I always wanted to make like huge stories about the dolls and stuff, and she really loved that apparently. So good job me for introducing her back to Barbies. I guess. I don't know. But yeah, so B bought one of the thick made-to-move Barbies.
I think no, there's a made-to-move dancer who is also thick, but I think it's like just a normal made-to-move.
Yeah, and I was like, yeah, shall I make like a face up on them? Actually, now that I see it up close, I think it's like cracking a little bit.
No.
But it's not very noticeable. If it gets more noticeable, I will fix it probably. But like, it doesn't seem too bad. But yeah, I made her. I painted like cute little face up. I'm gonna show you a close up. This is her face. It's my first time properly painting on a Barbie. It's very different from bARbIEZZZ in my opinion, because like the material is so much more squishy and just different texture-wise. I don't know, I'm not sure if I like it that much. I prefer painting on bARbIEZZZ even. It might be because I spent so like a lot of like I had like a huge break in between making her face up. So maybe like the sealant decided to not be compatible with the sealant that I used afterwards. And I used like currently, like sometimes that happens. I don't know what exactly it is, but I think it has to do with like the weather and stuff.
Yeah, probably.
So yeah, that was the first Barbie. Then the other day we went shopping.
And since it's Barbie's 60th anniversary this year,
they have so much stuff on sale. They had so much stuff like at a local, it's actually a bookshop. Libo is a bookshop, right?
Yeah, it should be, but
it has a lot of toys, and we bought some toys. I bought this one, and I love her so much. And yeah, you bought these two, and I also have a project that I might do a video on. I'm not sure if people would be interested in that, then please let me know. But a lot of you all know that I made like a makeup tutorial thingy, whatever. I tried painting my face like the Joker, like a specific kind of Joker, the joke boy, Jay from like an artist that I absolutely love on Tumblr, and I decided that I want to make a Ken doll look like him, and this is the one I chose. I'm gonna paint his entire body, like, yeah, completely, and I'm also gonna probably shave down his neck.
yeah.
Is that the word?
Yeah, shave is good.
Yeah, I'm gonna shave down his neck because it's way too thick. Like, this looks so weird. Like, I don't know why they made it so thick. Like, it wouldn't even look that weird if his head was on top of a thinner neck, I think. But yeah, I already removed his face up and removed his head, obviously. But yeah, this is like a product, work in progress, and I'm very excited about that. And yeah, your two are also really cute. Like, okay, so
okay, you go.
These two are a couple, but because we were like, okay, if I buy this doll, she needs a girlfriend. So we decided on this one because they kind of look like Harley and Ivy.
Yeah, but they're gonna be like, I don't know, closet cosplaying Harley and Ivy.
Yeah. They're really cute. I love these two. Like, I just love the fashionista dolls. They're so gorgeous. I just wish they were more like mobile.
I really love her hair.
Yes, also her face up. I feel like the face jobs on the fashionista dolls are much like better than in like the normal Made to Move or just any normal Barbie. I feel like the fashionistas are prettier. I don't know. Maybe it's also the face shape because
they
they're
have
very
different
unique
face
shapes. Yeah, and then you also got this one, which is like
this
magical.
Fashionista because I fell in love with her hair. It's so pretty to me.
It's really gorgeous. It has like glittery bits in it, like tinsel.
Well, I'm not like a huge fan of the tinsel because it's gonna get gross at some point, but I just love the color, the colors,
really
and
gorgeous.
it's also really soft.
I'm also gonna make like a close up.
And she is tall, Barbie.
Yeah, she's tall. Just like her. She's the tallest, I believe. All of them, like compared to her. Look at that.
Yeah, she's really tall.
She is super tall. And I love her so much. And I also love her body. So doll nudity kind of. It's a Barbie, you know. But like, I love her body shape. Like, she's very rectangular, if that's the right word. Yeah, and I love it. And it just fits so well. I love her body so much. I just love the fashionista dolls. Like, I don't know. I want all of them.
I just wish they had
Made to Move Barbies.
Or just any sort of articulation and like the elbow and the knees.
I wish that they could just sit down. That's the only thing I want.
Yeah, that's very important, I think.
Yeah, and like they can only like do this and that's it. That's the only like proper articulation they
like
can have.
Fashion shoots, it's okay, but like,
yeah, like
if you want to have dolls interacting with each other, it would be nice to have some sort of.
Bro,
I want to slap her. I wanted to slap her, but it didn't work.
Rude. So
she can't really do that.
Today I went to a grocery store that has doll stuff, and they had these outfits. And these pants I'm gonna alter because they're gonna be for my joke boy, and the rest we can just assemble. And I just bought this one for mostly for the skirt and for the jacket, because the jacket is like, I think this girl would look really cute in it. So I wanted this jacket so badly for her because I love her and I think she would look so good.
Oh, I like that a lot.
Ooh,
very good.
Oh, she looks so good. Oh, I love that. Oh, I love that so much. Oh my god. I want this jacket. I have kind of a similar jacket with like that fluffy stuff just going also there. And like also a black rim. I have basically a jacket like
that.
You
do. But it's not as like a bomber jacket like that.
Oh yeah, I also bought the little twin stars thingy, like the Sanrio.
They have a lot of Sanrio like and stuff fashion packs.
Mm.
And this, it came with a skirt.
Yeah, and I love her so much in it. Oh my gosh. Can I just say that lately I'm just loving what Mattel is doing with their dolls. Like I just wish they had more like stuff for Kens. Like not more stuff for kids, but they had like more variety of Kens, because the Kens are very boring in my opinion. I mean the fashionistas are nice, but I want more variety. Please, Mattel, please. Also like Made to Move Kens. Is that a thing?
It used to be a thing.
I wanted to be
for like 2 years, but then they never made any more. And there's also like special edition, like you know when they make dolls based off movie characters. And there used to be like a Superman that was made to move.
That's cool. I like that. Can I put her in this?
Do whatever you want. I'm putting the the yellow one on her right now.
Oh, I love her. Look at her. She's so cute.
She's super cute.
Look at that. It's really cute. She needs some sort of accessory.
Yeah. That's kind of cute. She does look like a waitress, but not in a bad way.
No, not at all. I like it. She's cute.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like the Ken shirt that she's wearing actually, but whatever.